I'm John Ray Benedicto.
And we are the Bumblebees.
So we're going to present real-life application of
Relation and functions.
One to many.
Okay, this is one to many.
Lapit mo yun.
So tandaan nyo guys, ako si Sophia doon na. Ayun. One to many relation. A relation A to B is said to be one to many relation if an element of A is related to two or more elements of B. So ito po yung example namin. Ito po. Ito po yung isang example namin. Tapos ito po yung isa. So, ang ano po, dalawa na po yung example namin. So, ito po, mataba po siyang lalaki. Tapos marami pong pagkain.
Go.
One to many po siya kasi po, lalaki po na maraming pagkain. So, yun po. Tapos ito po, example din po namin. Draw a mapping diagram for the function f of x is equal to 2x 2 plus 3 in the set of real numbers. First, choose some elements from the domain, then find the corresponding y values for the chosen x value. So, ito po, nakikita nyo naman po. So,
Yan
yan.
ang example ng mapping diagram. Obvious naman. Yan.
Mapping siya.
Yan.
Mamap siya.
Tapos,
Linear function. So, yung linear function po, ayan po. Puching!
ayan.
Yung linear function. Meron siya, a linear function has one independent variable and one dependent variable. Tapos, yung graph niya, laging parabola. Tapos, yung example namin is, ito, like this.
Hindi po siya parabola.
Sa quadratic po yun.
Oo.
Huh?
Quadratic function.
Hindi siya parabola.
Quadratic po yun. Correction. Hindi po siya
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Ang
So,
gugulo
yung-
niya.
Guys, huwag na tayo.
Yung linear function, hindi pala siya parabola, quadratic pala. Sorry. Ito yung example ng graph sa amin. Tsaka ito pa. Okay? Tapos, quadratic function.
A quadratic function is one of the form that has a formula f is equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. So, ito yung formula. Yan. Tapos, yung sinasabing parabola po, ito po yun. The graph of a quadratic function is a curve called a parabolas. Yan. And ito po yung example niyang graph. Yan, equation niya. Yan. And radical function.
Ito po, radical function.
Yung radical function contain a radical expression with the independent variable, usually x, in the radicand. Usually, radical equation where the radical is square root is called square root function. Tapos, may tinatawag sila dito. Yung parang dollar sign na yan. Ang tawag daw dyan is parent square root. Tapos, yung example namin sa radical is ito. Ayan. Tapos, ito pa. Okay, ayan. Ayun lang. Ayun lang pala. Absolute value function.
The absolute value function is a famous piecewise function. So, ano po? Yung absolute value, based on my opinion po. Wait, totoo lang. So, pag negative siya, magiging positive. Tapos pag positive, remain siya as positive. So, yun po. Meron po kaming mga examples. So, tingnan nyo na lang po. Zoom ko daw po. Ito po, zoom. Magzuzumba na po kami next time dito. Galaw na. Ayan po. So, ito din po. Ito din po. So, yun na po.
And,
Ayaw kong sa piece-wise. Ay, hindi ikaw.
sige,
Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Wala akong sabi.
piecewise function.
Piecewise. Yung piecewise, ano ba meaning nun? Ano meaning nun? Ito na lang. Ito yung example namin. Sa piecewise. Oh my God. What
Yung
happened?
piecewise, parang absolute value function din po.
Ayan. Tapos, ito pa.
So, yung piecewise
shucks.
function, yung
Ayan.
domain.
So, ayan lang example namin.
So, yun. The domain is all real numbers up to and including 6, which we can write like this. So, ito nga po. So, yun po. Where? Huwag daw po ako malikot.
Composite. Composite.
Yun po.
Basta? Composite. Ikaw na. Ayan.
Tapos, last but
Not the least.
composite
Functions. So, what are the composite functions?
Sorry po for interruption.
What is it?
Go.
So, composite functions. So, what are the composite functions? Composite functions is when one function is inside of another function.
Ayan lang. Sige na. Ayan na lang.
So, for example, if we look at the function h of x is equal to 2x minus 1 times 2, we can say that this function h of x was formed by the composition of two other functions, the inside function and the outside function. So, ito na po yung example namin. Yan po. Ito po, example 1 and 2.